Today, we're going to be walking through Wallace Hall here at Monmouth College. Wallace is one of our most iconic buildings on campus, as many events take place here, including graduation on the front steps. As we walk in, we're going to see some lounge area. This first floor is where classics, English, and political science classes take place. And you can see here one of the classrooms on the first floor. The first floor is also where the president's office is located. As you walk in, you'll be greeted by some very friendly staff. Walking up to the second floor, this is where many of our education classes are, and this office is where you can find our education professors. On this wall, you can see some former education graduates, as well as some current Monmouth College students in the Tartan program. Here's a classroom on the second floor. Heading up to the third floor is where our communication classes take place. It's also where the student-run newspaper and student-run radio station are located. Here's a look inside that student-run radio station. You can listen in at WPFS 105.9. And there's a computer lab where students can apply the practical skills that they learn in class. One of the coolest parts about this building is that it's home to the MCTV studio, where students can get involved in a variety of very unique projects. And in this office is where you'll find our professors in the Communication Studies program. And that's going to complete our quick tour of Wallace Hall. Thanks for coming along with me.